Okay, this is Wolcott Ave, 4819 2B. You come in, and this is the living area. I think technically that's the dining area back there, but we liked it better with the TV. So we have dining here. Pretty good amount of space. And then the bedrooms are both to the left. Kitchen's in here. So the kitchen actually has a pretty good amount of space, and I really like that it's kind of a square setup instead of an alley or hallway kitchen. These pot hangers are installed. That's the furnace in there. Our cat likes to go in there, so that's why we have the stove blocking the entranceway. Gas stove. With a little bit of furniture, you can make the kitchen really usable, I think. So give one more look around the kitchen. Dishwasher, microwave included. That back door leads to the alley. That goes right to Mariano's. And then this is one kind of area for living and dining. Pretty good light from the windows. That is the Mariano's and LA Fitness. And then the bathroom, cute vintage Chicago tiles. Bathtub and shower. The water pressure is good, never had a problem. Some kind of storage, medicine cabinet. And then the first bedroom, this one is slightly bigger. Both the bedrooms are a really nice size. We have queen bed, you could even do a king, desk, dresser. Window, and the closet holds a lot more than it kind of appears because it goes kind of deep on either side of the door. So pretty good storage actually in this closet. Bedroom 1. And then bedroom 2. Nice big window facing the courtyard. And then double closets in here that run all the way through. So a lot of really good storage in this closet. These double closets in this bedroom. Unique thing is that this bedroom has French doors and curtains that will stay with the apartment. It's kind of nice if you just want to close the door quickly. You can close the curtains or close both. Pretty much the same sound coverage as a regular door anyways. And that is the apartment.